Let's see if this table really lives up to the premium title. That walnut slab is gorgeous. You can tell it is top quality. With a clear epoxy in the middle, it looks almost like the wood is floating. Simple, clean, and classy. Let's zoom in on that wood. Walnut is always a favorite, but this slab has so much character. Clear resin is tough. It shows every bubble and speck of dust, but this pour looks perfect, clear as glass. Check out the base. They use turning legs. It adds a traditional handcrafted feel that balances the modern epoxy top. It is a mix of old and new that gives the table personality. Edges matter a lot, and this looks smooth and clean. No rough spots, no sharp corners. That is the kind of detail that makes a peaceful premium. If you run your hand along it, I bet it feels seamless. Now, this is my favorite part, seeing the table in a real room. The walnut warms up the space, while the clear resin keeps it tight. It works in modern, rustic, or even minimalist homes. So, the size is 67 by 37 inches, a perfect dining table size. Sits 6 people without being oversized. Some epoxy tables are massive and more like art pieces than furniture. This one is practical and still feels premium. For me, I think this table is a win. Clean, balanced, and useful. If I were making it, I might try a live edge slab instead of straight cut, just to bring out more of the natural look. But honestly, keeping it simple here makes it feel even more premium. So, what do you think, guys? Is this the perfect mix of modern and classic? Or do you prefer epoxy tables with bold colors and patterns? Drop your thoughts in the comments.